Hi everyone, wanted to upgrade or install latest version of Java. In this session, we'll see how to install this Java 17 and Java 20 as well. Okay, so if you'll see, currently I'm using Java 11. So from this Java 11 to I will upgrade to Java 17 and Java 20. Okay, we'll see in this session. So for that, what we will do, we'll go to the browser. Let's go to this Chrome browser and you will just type Java 17 download and you go to the official website, that is oracle.com. I will posted this website link in my description. So here you see Java 17 is the LTS long term support version. Okay, and Java 20 is the latest. Okay, here then you will come here Windows. We are installing for Windows. Okay, so we'll download this archive file zip folder. Okay, we'll download it. If you click, it will download. Okay, already I have downloaded this Java 17 and 20 as well. Okay, so already I downloaded. If you go to this download folder, you see already I downloaded. So what I will do, this both the Java 17 and 20 I will copy and I will paste in any specified folder. Okay, so in C drive there is a Naren software, here I am pasting it. Okay, then what you need to do, you need to extract it. Okay, I will extract this Java 17 here and I will extract this Java 20 also here. Both the file you will extract. Okay, then what you will do after extracting, you need to go to environment variable, system environment variable. We need to set that variable path. We need to set in system variables instead of user variable. It will set for all users. So here you will come path and you will make it edit. Okay, you see already I have set for Java 11. These things we need to edit. We need to edit to Java 17. So you will come here, Java 17 JDK path will give. You see in this Naren software we are having Java 17. You'll go to that path up to bin, then you copy this path and come here, you click this edit, then paste it. Okay, then okay. Now you open a CMD command prompt and check Java version, it will show 17. Right, now you can run any of the program, it will run in Java 17. Okay, it's simple like this. If you wanted to set for Java 20, you can do same. Now in the Eclipse will update it. Okay, it is showing Java 11, will update it. For that, what you will do, you will go to Windows preferences, then here you will see Java. Okay, then you go to install JRE. If you click this, it is taking that Java 11 default one. So here we will add, click on that and select this JRE home, come here, provide that path, Naren software, then JDK 17, JDK. So you select this path. Okay, then finish. You see Java 17 we added. Like this you can add Java 20 also. Sorry, you select the standard view. I'll come here, Java 20, finish. So we added. Now we need Java 17, so we'll select Java 17, then apply this, apply and close. Okay, then what we need to do, we need to change this. Okay, this here is showing Java 11, right? So you need to change it. You go to properties, then you will go to Java build path. Here you will go to libraries, and you see here Java 11 is showing. You just click it and edit it. Here if you select this alternate JRE, it is default it taking Java 11. We'll select here, it is showing all the whatever install JRE we set, right? We'll select 17. then finish, apply and close. You see, it changed it. Now if we'll run the application, you see, if we'll run this application, it is running in Java 17, JDK 17. Sometimes you will get error like loading error, loading of main class, like leakage error, some kind of error you will get, because what will happen, you know, the compiler we need to set Java compiler. Here you will go to Windows preferences, and here you will click on Java. Okay, then Java compiler, right? Here it is showing 11, right? We need to set to Java 17, then apply and close. It is asking to rebuild. Yes, we'll run it, it will work. Okay, so these three steps we need to do. First you will download that archive files. I will provide you the links. Then you will extract in a specified folder. Then you have to set the environment path. Okay, then if you wanted to configure, if you wanted to here, if you wanted to upgrade in your ID, Eclipse ID, then you will change it. Okay, so that's all about this session. Like this you can set for Java 20. Okay, if you wanted to select for Java 20 also, it will work. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and comment if you have any doubt. Thank you.